we've got, it's about 3 months old, called Cosmos Zulu Sanitary Pads Movement. We've got a movement where we want to restore the dignity of a girl child. We are saying having sex is a choice, but to go on monthly periods is nature. Why is it all about the boy child, not the girl child? The dreams and the aspiration of a boy and a girl child are the same. Why are we having free condoms in men's toilets and no free sanitary pads in women's toilets? Hence we're here. So we've come here to donate sanitary pads for all the teams Madam Fungai will be playing here. We've got sanitary pads for you because we are saying, when I saw this tournament in the newspaper, I said, this is the right time for us to partner, and we would like to partner you for the years to come, because we want to restore the dignity of a girl child. That's why we brought you these sanitary pads from Cosmos Sanitary Pads Movement. Thank you.